Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to connect Eightcap to TradingView. This integration lets you leverage TradingView's powerful charting and analysis tools while executing trades directly through your Eightcap account. It's a straightforward process that enhances your trading experience by combining robust analysis with efficient execution. Let's get started with the first step. Before connecting, make sure your Eightcap account is fully set up and verified. You'll need your login details, including your username and password, so have those handy. Also, quickly confirm that your specific Eightcap account type is compatible with TradingView integration to avoid any issues during the process.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Also, staying hydrated is key, especially during long trading sessions. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle for keeping your drinks cold all day. Check the description for a link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now open your TradingView platform. On the bottom panel, locate and click the Trading Panel tab. From the list of brokers presented, find and select Eightcap. A login window will appear where you'll input your Eightcap account credentials. Once entered, click Connect to establish the link. After connecting, verify the integration. Look at the trading panel in TradingView. You should see your Eightcap account details, including your balance and any open positions. To be absolutely sure everything is working correctly, consider placing a very small test trade. This confirms full functionality before you begin serious trading.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.